American entrepreneur Purnima Nath is running for U.S. Congress from Wisconsin's 4th Congressional District as the Republican candidate to bring what she calls common sense leadership to Congress and a strong voice for justice and security. With the blessings of my Guru, I am excited to announce my candidacy for U.S. Congress Wisconsin District 4, Nath, founder of Spindle India Inc., a non-profit dedicated to strengthening U.S.-India relations, posted on X. She has also started India Fest Milwaukee, a popular local ethnic festival that brings communities together and brings visibility to the Indian community. Currently serves as the Secretary of the Republican Party of Milwaukee County. She is also the elected alternate delegate for the 2024 Republican National Convention in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. As a legal immigrant, she brings unique insights into geopolitical matters that directly impact our lives, education, and economic well-being, Nath says in a press release announcing her run. Nath, the release stated, is committed to bringing common sense leadership to Congress and is a strong voice for justice and security, values that are sorely needed in today's political climate. Nath, the release stated, believes that divisive politics are dangerous for ordinary citizens and that we must focus on developing our communities, ensuring that our streets are safe, reducing the tax burden and providing our children and youth with quality education free from political agendas. Nath is a passionate advocate of national security, border security, immigration, terrorism, education and economic issues according to the release. Nath understands that unless we address corruption, crime, fraud and waste and prioritize real education over political indoctrination, we cannot build a healthy society or progress as a nation. She is dedicated to being the change we need in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, a community that has long been under a left political influence since 1949, according to the release. At this critical inflection point for our community, it is even more crucial that our society does not fall further from grace, she stated. With an MBA from the prestigious Northwestern University Kellogg School of Business and a background in engineering, Nath has served as a management consultant for various multinational corporations. Now it's time